Let's go, dude. I did it. Woo! It's done. Yes. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Ooh. I did it. Ah. That felt good. That felt good. I beat Black Blizzard, bro. Well done. Ooh. I was so nervous at the ending. I did the wave like different than I normally do. I thought I was dead for sure, but I was like so locked into. Let's go. I'm shaky. I don't know. Overall, I really like the drop to 100 is so good on this level. 25 to 40, that took forever to get consistent. And the pre-drop, like the very beginning, I mean, it's not that bad. Like overall, the level is pretty good. I think it's just I started playing worse and worse, but we did it. We did it. New hardest. Let's go.